Ever dreamed of flying, not just as a passenger but as the one in control? As a pilot for American Airlines, you can make that dream a reality. The American Airlines Cadet Academy is your ticket to the skies, a comprehensive program designed to take you from zero to hero, or more accurately, from aspiring pilot to certified aviator. We're talking world-class training, a guaranteed job upon successful completion, and the chance to travel the world, all while sporting that sharp American Airlines uniform. Sounds good, right? Let's dive into the details. This program is no walk in the park. It's tough, demanding, and requires dedication. But for those with the passion and commitment, the rewards are immeasurable. You'll be joining the ranks of a prestigious airline, piloting advanced aircraft, and connecting people and places across the globe. So, if you're ready to take on the challenge, buckle up, and let's explore what it takes to become an American Airlines cadet pilot. The American Airlines Cadet Academy is more than just flight school. It's a complete career pathway. This program is designed to take individuals with little to no flight experience and mold them into highly skilled commercial airline pilots. Think of it as an apprenticeship for the sky. You'll start with the basics, learning the ins and outs of aviation, and progress through rigorous flight training, all under the watchful eye of experienced instructors. The program is divided into distinct phases, each focusing on specific skills and knowledge required of a commercial pilot. But it's not all about flying. The Cadet Academy also emphasizes leadership, teamwork, and decision-making skills, essential qualities for any pilot. You'll be trained to handle not just the technical aspects of flying, but also the critical decision-making required in challenging situations. Upon successful completion of the program, you're guaranteed a first officer position at one of American Airlines' regional carriers, putting you on a direct path to a long and rewarding career with the largest airline in the world. So, you're ready to trade in your car keys for a pilot's license? Not so fast. Becoming an American Airlines cadet pilot comes with specific eligibility requirements. First and foremost, you need to be at least 18 years old with a high school diploma or equivalent. However, American Airlines prefers candidates with a bachelor's degree, so if you're still in school, consider focusing on aviation-related fields. You'll also need to meet certain medical standards, including vision and hearing requirements. While prior flight experience isn't mandatory, it's a definite plus. Having some hours logged in demonstrates your passion and aptitude for aviation. Don't worry if you haven't touched the controls of an airplane yet, the program is designed to take you from zero to hero. However, showcasing a genuine interest in aviation is crucial. Think you've got what it takes? The selection process for the Cadet Academy is rigorous, designed to identify individuals with the right combination of skills, aptitude, and attitude. It starts with an online application, where you'll provide your educational background, work experience, and answer some basic questions about your interest in aviation. If your application makes the cut, be prepared for a series of assessments, including online cognitive tests and personality questionnaires. These tests evaluate your problem-solving abilities, critical thinking skills, and personality traits to determine your suitability for a career in aviation. The next hurdle is an interview with American Airlines pilots and recruiters. This is your chance to shine, to articulate your passion for aviation, and demonstrate why you're the perfect fit for the program. Be prepared to answer questions about your motivation, goals, and how you handle pressure. The interview process is designed to assess not only your technical skills, but also your ability to work effectively in a team environment, your communication skills, and your overall demeanor. Congratulations, you've made it through the selection process. Now, the real journey begins. The American Airlines Cadet Academy partners with top-notch flight schools across the country, providing a structured and comprehensive training program. You'll be immersed in the world of aviation, spending countless hours honing your skills in the classroom, simulator, and of course, the air. The training program is divided into phases, each building upon the previous one. You'll start with the basics, like aerodynamics, meteorology, and flight instruments. As you progress, you'll tackle more advanced concepts, including instrument procedures, multi-engine operations, and crew resource management. Throughout the program, you'll be guided by experienced instructors, many of whom have flown for American Airlines, who provide personalized feedback and mentorship to ensure your success. Let's talk about the money. While the training program itself comes with a significant cost, the good news is, once you're flying for American Airlines regional carriers as a first officer, you'll start earning a competitive salary. And as you gain experience and seniority, your salary will increase accordingly. But the benefits of being an American Airlines pilot extend far beyond the paycheck. We're talking comprehensive health insurance, retirement plans, and of course, free or discounted travel benefits for you and your family. Imagine exploring exotic destinations, experiencing different cultures, and creating unforgettable memories, all thanks to your career as a pilot. Plus, you'll enjoy the respect and admiration that comes with wearing the American Airlines uniform, a symbol of professionalism and excellence in the aviation industry. One of the most exciting aspects of being an American Airlines cadet pilot is the incredible career progression opportunities. Starting as a first officer with a regional carrier is just the first step. As you accumulate flight hours and gain experience, you'll have the chance to bid on routes, upgrade to larger aircraft, and eventually set your sights on the coveted captain's seat. And it doesn't stop there. American Airlines is a global airline, offering a vast network of routes and destinations. With hard work and dedication, you could find yourself flying international routes, piloting wide-body jets, and experiencing the world from a whole new perspective. The possibilities for growth and advancement within American Airlines are virtually limitless, providing a clear career path and ensuring your future as a pilot is bright. Let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. Becoming a commercial pilot is a significant investment. The American Airlines Cadet Academy understands this and offers various financing options to help make your dream a reality. From traditional bank loans to specialized aviation financing programs, they'll guide you through the process and help you explore the best options based on your individual circumstances. They also partner with financial institutions that understand the unique needs of aspiring pilots. Remember, this investment is not just about acquiring a skill, it's about investing in your future, a future filled with adventure, opportunity, and the satisfaction of a highly rewarding career. So, don't let finances hold you back from pursuing your passion. Explore the available options, crunch the numbers, and take that first step towards a career in the sky. Life as an American Airlines cadet pilot is demanding and requires dedication. You'll be spending countless hours studying, training, and honing your skills. It's not a 9-to-5 job, it's a lifestyle choice that requires commitment and sacrifice. But it's also incredibly rewarding, offering a sense of accomplishment and the opportunity to pursue your passion every single day. The key is finding a balance between your training and your personal life. The Cadet Academy understands the importance of this balance and provides support to help you manage the demands of the program. From study groups and peer mentorship to time management workshops and access to counselors, they're there to help you succeed both academically and personally. Remember, becoming a pilot is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and the ability to maintain a healthy balance between your training and your well-being. Being an American Airlines pilot is about more than just flying planes. It's about being part of a team, a family. American Airlines is known for its strong company culture, one that values its employees and fosters a supportive and inclusive work environment. As a pilot, you'll be working alongside talented and dedicated individuals who share your passion for aviation. You'll have the opportunity to connect with people from all walks of life, share stories, and build lifelong friendships. From pre-flight briefings to post-flight debriefs, you'll be part of a team that relies on each other for success. And let's not forget about the travel perks. As an American Airlines employee, you'll enjoy incredible travel benefits, including discounted flights for you and your family. Imagine exploring the world, experiencing new cultures, and creating unforgettable memories, all thanks to your career as a pilot. Becoming an American Airlines cadet pilot is a challenging yet incredibly rewarding journey. It's a path that demands dedication, hard work, and a genuine passion for aviation. But for those who dare to dream big and are willing to put in the effort, the sky's the limit. You'll be joining the ranks of a prestigious airline, piloting advanced aircraft, and connecting people and places across the globe. So, if you're ready to embark on this incredible adventure, take the first step and visit the American Airlines Cadet Academy website. Explore the program details, review the eligibility requirements, and submit your application. Your journey to becoming an American Airlines pilot starts now. The friendly skies await.